The National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a tornado warning for Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 2:45 a.m. At 1:38 a.m., a deadly wildfire capable of producing a destructive fire tornado was located over Santa Clara, or near Burbank, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: destructive fire tornado. Source: Fire Department. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter, especially for firefighters. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Complete destruction is likely. Locations impacted include Hollywood, Los Angeles, Santa Clara, and Burbank. To repeat, a rapid, completely destructive and deadly fire tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. If you see damage, falling ash or complete destruction of buildings and homes, wait until the storm has passed, and report any damage to local law enforcement or fire department. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Los Angeles.